Hi, welcome to a new video. In last video, we have seen how to create a blog post within your Shopify store, and we have linked the products within the blog post. In today's video, I'll just explain you how you can add a section which lists the products within your blog post. For that, you can log into your Shopify admin panel. From here, just click on Sales Channel, and you can just click on the App and Sales Channel settings and click on Shopify App Store and search for Buy Now Button Sales Channel, and you can see this app Buy Button Channel. Okay, and just click on this one and click on Install. Okay, it will install this app in your store. After that, you can click on Create a Buy Button. So I'm just going to link my blog post. In my case, I am going to link my product, the multi-location snowboard, with my blog post. Okay, so for that, I'm just clicking on Product Buy Button, and I'm going to search the product, and I'm selecting the product and just click on Select. And after that, if you want to make any design changes, you can do that. Okay, you can just try to do the things like this one. All those things can be done, so I'm going to keep it classic. And if you want to make it like buy now, or if you want to make it as add product to cart, you can do that. Or you can also make it to view the more details. So if you click on this one, it will take the user to the product details page. Okay, so I'm going to make this add to cart, and I can just click on the button styling, and I can just make some styles, okay, which matches my website theme. Okay, and after that, I can just click on the layout. I can also do some changes, some design changes from here, and just click on this one, and I can also do the card changes. Okay, and once I'm done, I can just click on next, and I'll be able to get a code. Okay, so just click on copy code, and after that, just click on exit. Now we can go to the online store and blog post. Just click on the blog post what we have created in the last video. If you don't know how to create the blog post in Shopify, you can check our previous video. Just click on this one, and after that you can just click on show HTML. Okay, so this part is very important because if you do something wrong, it will mess up the entire blog part. Okay, so just click on the show HTML, and you can just go down just at the bottom, or if you want to place in between, you can also do that if you know the HTML coding. In my case, I'm going to show you to place them in the bottom. Okay, so after all these codes, just click enter and paste the code here, and after that, just click on save button. Now we have added the buy now button in your blog post. Okay, so just go to the blog and see whether it is appearing there. Okay, so after visiting the blog, you can see that the section what we have added for the buy now button. So now you can see that the product with the add to cart button, which we have created using the buy now button sales channel, is showing here. Okay, so if someone click on add to cart, the product will be added to the cart, and they can just go through the website, and they can also add other products and check out the product. Okay, or they can go to different products and they can also check out the product. Okay, so this is how you can add the buy now button in your blog post. Similar to that, you can add multiple products here, or if you want to add a collection of products, you can also do that using this buy now button app. Hope you like this video. Thanks for watching.